So hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I want to bring you another recall that affects a popular model of car from Toyota. I know these are really popular, so I wanted to bring this to you. It just came out a few days ago. I feel it's important to share with you guys. If you guys have one of these vehicles, definitely stay tuned so you can know what to do about it. So like I said, this doesn't have to do with Honda or Acura, but I do like to share recalls with you guys because a lot of us own different make and model of cars, not just Honda, Acura. So I do like to share this information with you guys. And maybe you guys know somebody with these kind of cars. So this particular one from Toyota involves a 2022 and 2023 Toyota Tundra and Tundra Hybrid trucks. And this is their biggest one. It involves the fuel lines here. So what Toyota is saying, they announced this past Thursday that 168,000 vehicles in the United States, they have a plastic fuel tube which can rub against a brake line, of course, and that would develop a leak due to the friction that's caused from them rubbing together like that. And then, of course, if you have fuel leaking, it could potentially cause a fire if there's ignition source nearby. So definitely something to look into. Like I said, it's brand new trucks that are affected. I've been seeing that a lot lately. It's not like recalls before where it was like maybe 3 or 4 model years that were affected. Now it's like brand new ones. And we all know the quality has gone downhill with a lot of new vehicles, so it's to be expected. But the company said they will replace the tube for free, of course, and is preparing right now to make a replacement part that is available. But right now, since the part's not available, they said dealers will install a protective material and a clamp on the fuel tube for free, of course. So it'd prevent the chafing of these parts together, which would cause a leak. So Toyota said that it will start notifying vehicle owners that have the affected vehicles in early October. So, that's a long time. I know it takes a while for them to get all this information out. But in the meantime, it says owners can visit toyota.com/recall, and then you enter your VIN number there or your license plate information, and it'll tell you if your car is included in this recall. If it is affected, you can call your dealer, bring your truck in, get that the protective coating installed on it in the meantime, just so it doesn't cause a leak. And then they will notify you when the actual replacement part is available to do the correct fix on it. But at least in the meantime, you can get it taken care of. Like I said, it's quite a bit, 168,000 trucks that are affected. So it's quite a bit. And like I said, you don't want that happening, leaking fuel and all that kind of stuff. It makes a mess. Even if there wasn't a fire, it's potentially a hazardous condition too. So I wanted to bring that to you guys. A lot of you guys I know have Toyota vehicles. A Tundra is a very popular truck right now. So if you guys have a 2022 or 2023 Tundra or Tundra Hybrid, I would definitely check that website. Again, it's toyota.com/recall. And you can enter your information on there to know if yours is affected. Again, I just want to bring that to you guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys own one of these trucks or if you know anybody that has one. Definitely let them know the information so they can get it taken care of ASAP. Okay? So I hope everyone's having a great day out there. I appreciate all the support I'm getting on this channel. I really do. If you haven't, please subscribe. It really helps me out. I appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.